More photos of feet became a fixation for a former Oberlin teacher, and that foot fetish of first-grade girls cost him his freedom.
The teacher was sentenced to nearly 5 years in federal prison, and Megan Hickey has been following this story. Joins us live with new details on how it all came to light.
Investigators tell me it was a tip to the FBI about a teacher photographing a student's feet that uncovered a child porn stash on that teacher's computer. An Oberlin first grader came home from school one day last February and told her mom that Jacob Garlock, her teacher, brought her into a room, asked her to remove her socks and shoes, and took pictures of her bare feet. While unsettling to parents,
because kids, that's probably traumatizing their children that they hear that.
The U.S. Attorney's Office told me that in itself is not illegal.
Certainly not a federal violation, and I'm not aware of any state violation either. I mean, it's clearly inappropriate.
But it was the mother's complaint to law enforcement that got the FBI involved. Agents interviewed Garlock at his house, where they found several pornographic pictures on his personal computer.
The images that they found were children under the age of 16, but they were not affiliated with the school in any way.
The U.S. Attorney's Office told me it was more than enough to file charges. Garlock pled guilty, and in court his lawyer argued that the root of this crime was a sexual fixation with feet, and an internet search for related images led to the child porn. A judge sentenced him to the next 57 months in prison. Investigators told me Garlock might still be a first-grade teacher, if not for that parent's complaint.
And that was really key, and that's really what the parents need to look out for. Anything that's unusual, it just doesn't feel right.
I spoke with the district superintendent after Garlock pleaded guilty. It's important to note that none of those actual child pornography images involved Oberlin students, and Garlock was placed on administrative leave immediately following that complaint. At the FBI headquarters, Megan Hickey, News Channel 5.
Also